Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Prime Day 2022 has come and gone, and as per usual I spent way too much money. So what better thing to do than to show you everything that I got. I have some really good things, some things that I'm definitely returning because they were like a spur of the moment or not what I expected. I have a range of categories. I have so many different things, so I'm excited to get into it, and I kind of feel like this is gonna be like a two-part video, so stay tuned for more. You can check out my Amazon shop for all my recommendations for Amazon products, subscribe for more Amazon videos, and follow me over on Instagram for more up-to-date content. And I think that's everything I have to say. Let's get into it. Very excited about this because I've been using it for a few days, and I've tried a lot of these touchless, hands-free soap dispensers. This one though is by Simple Human, and Simple Human is like a pretty well-known pricier brand that makes home goods, like products for the home. I saw that it was on sale and I was like, and the gold would match perfectly with our kitchen and or the bathroom. I'm so sad I only got one, but it was a pretty good discount and I'm so happy with it. I like that this one has no batteries at the bottom. All the other ones that I've tried and have, you know, stopped working had the batteries at the bottom. This one is rechargeable with a USB cord that it comes in, and the charging port is actually like in the back, like right here. So far so good. Like I said, I can't really give you a thorough review right now. It's more of like a first impressions, and like I said, all the other ones have stopped working after a few months, so I will keep you guys updated. Arguably this is one of the most exciting things I purchased throughout Prime Day, and I've been using it every single day since. As you all know, maybe if you watch my channel, if you watch my Prime Day videos, I'm obsessed with the Barefoot Dreams blanket from Amazon. It's like half the price, the same size, and it's beautiful. Recently, like, Amazon's world of sellers came out with a new version. It's the same material but a different type of like print and more colors. I went with this one against my better judgment because I did want the pink, and TBH, I still do. I went with this one because it's like kind of like a mustard, but it looks a little bit khaki. I don't know. It's definitely yellow in some way. But y'all, this is huge. Like almost a king size. And it was like, I don't know, 40 bucks or something. And it comes in like sage green. It comes in pink, red, I want to say orange maybe, and blue. I might be making that up. Comes in two different sizes. This one, like I said, it's huge, but y'all, it's so much better than any other blanket I've ever tried. Like, it's soft, it's huge, it's warm but not too warm when I feel like I'm suffocating. I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with it. I cannot stress this enough. And like the pink one, it would look so good here. I swear to God, if none of you tell me to get the pink one, I'm gonna be very upset. Do I need two huge blankets? Maybe not, but do I want both? Yes, I do. This is literally the most I want to be Gen Z so bad thing I've ever purchased, and I will tell you why. Actually, you can tell. I saw this pack. It was recommended to me on Amazon. Let me open it. Y'all, it's so cute. Okay, look at them. Okay, this one is questionable. It's like a lightning bolt, and the colors are just adorable. And then this tongue thing that I love. And then the reason why I got it, an eagle eye. Oh look, another lightning bolt, another smiley face, and this one is just a star that says you look great. This whole pack came together, obviously, for 13 bucks. I was like, I need to get that, duh. This would be great stocking stuffers. You already know I love saying that. And it would be great for like a little bachelorette trip, sorority function. I don't know what you got going on, but wouldn't this be adorable to add to like the goodie bags? And you can do like the whole pack or just divide it up. You get like 8 for 13 bucks. 10 out of 10. You know what? I just realized I haven't smelled these. What if they smell terrible? Oh, they smell good. They smell kind of like floral-ish. I don't know. I will let you guys know because this is going straight to my car. I'm so excited about this, and I feel like I cannot give you guys like a good review yet because I literally only like touched it for like 5 seconds last night. But I got the eye massager that I told y'all I wanted, and I need to correct myself because I thought this had headphones built in or something, or like had like a Bluetooth connection where I could connect my music. It does not, so I take that back. It does have its own music, which is questionable. It's also a little bit obnoxious because it does talk quite a bit. Like it talks through the whole thing, like now vibrating, now this. Actually, should I try it?
Close your eyes, relax and enjoy. Air pressure.
Listen, girly, the last thing I will do if you tell me to relax is relax.
Pressure plus heat plus vibration.
Okay, goodbye. Stunning. The reason why I haven't like put it physically on my eyes is because of my lash extensions. Obviously, I did not think this purchase through, so I'm gonna wait until my lashes are, you know, getting a little raggedy, which they already kind of are. But it's a cool gift idea, I guess. I will let you guys know. I'm so excited about this one. So we had a pot filler that I got without doing any research when our contractor was still remodeling the kitchen, and it was good, don't get me wrong. It was a bit more modern than what I wanted for our kitchen, and this one is so pretty and it's much sturdier and just like better quality in general. It was easier to install, holds up better, the water pressure is 10 times better. So this one overall is better than the other one. The other one is a more affordable option. It was also matte black, and as you all know, we changed out everything in the kitchen to be brass, so I'm super happy with it. I just love the look. I feel like it looks very vintagey and just pretty. I'm obsessed with it. And then I had this stool in my save for later for a long time. I feel like it looks so different in person. It definitely was like a very light khaki, and it's giving maybe like mauve rose. I don't know, I don't love it. And this was like 20 bucks. It was on sale, so I decided to get it. And honestly, I think I'm gonna return it because I found the stool of all stools, you know, the bougiest one, and it's so pretty. So this comes in different finishes. I went for this like champagne, almost like a bronze color. I wouldn't say it's brass. You can see it compared to our hardware. So pretty, huge, and it completely folds up. I just feel like this is just very, very nice, and I love that it has 3 steps instead of just 2. I feel like it's really helpful for me to have because I'm so short. Here it is, nice and compact. I feel like this is perfect for smaller spaces. It doesn't take up much room. I just freaking love it. And then I was gonna show you guys this one in a complete different way, but my daughter had other plans. Is it bothering me that my husband threw this one in here? Yes. Anyway, this was nice and stored in that bag that you see, and then she decided to figure out how zippers worked and got it everywhere. But I found this. This is actually like an Amazon brand called Amazon Basics, and they have a ton of different toys now. I found this ball pit or just like ball set for I think 50 bucks, and it's usually 120, so it was such a steal. It's 1,000 balls and we did it. So a lot of people said you're gonna regret this, you're gonna be picking up balls your entire life, etc. We do have like a ball pit set up without any balls, so I thought it was time to do it. And you know, I have some regrets. I need to pick this up, so I will let you guys know how much I hate it. Hopefully it'll go back on sale, but if you're looking for like more affordable, like trendy toys, that brand Amazon Basics has so many fun ones, and I will link my baby girl toys tab down below because I always add new finds whenever I find new things for Olivia. So this is my aesthetic living room. Don't you love it? Another thing I'm super excited for, I've actually been wanting this for so long. I purchased it once and it didn't work out. This is the Amazon's kind of like smart thermostat version, and it was in like super sale. I think I got this whole thing for like 50 bucks, which is a steal, and you can control this with your Alexa. I don't want to turn her on. The reason why it didn't work for us last time is because we have an older thermostat, so we had to get the version that came with the C wire. So that's exactly what we did, and my husband just needs to, you know, figure out how to install it, which I don't think is gonna be super hard. We'll see. Another thing that I did not think through was this. So I used to love macrame wall decor, hanging stuff. I used to think it was the cutest thing ever, and then I kind of grew out of it, thank God. But then I saw these on Amazon and I thought, that's cute. let me try it out. I was in New York, maybe a few too many margaritas in, and I thought it was a good idea to spend this much money on stuff. So I got one in the mail. I'm still waiting for another one, but I don't love it, and I would love to get y'all's like opinion on this, because I don't know. This is what it looks like. Definitely smaller than I imagined. And then the reason why I don't love it is this bottom part right here. I really love the braided texture. I think it's great until then, and then it moves on to this like weird yellow and brown colors. I don't love it. Like if it was like this and then white all throughout, maybe I would like it more. Kind of like this, you see? But I don't love that yellow, you know? Okay, this, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, was definitely like a it's on sale, let me get it, and now I'm having like regrets, and I will tell you why. So this is like a Tupperware set from Rubbermaid, and it's the Chris Loves Julia collab. And like side note, if everyone knows why they're called that, like I'm sure he loves her. They are married, but like I don't understand why that's the name of their brand when like they do interior design stuff. I digress. I saw it and I was like, oh my god, it's on sale, let me get it. And it wasn't like super discounted. I want to say this set is like 28 bucks, and it was discounted by like, I don't know, maybe it was like $21. And I don't use plastic Tupperware. Tupperware? No, I don't know how you say it because of that TikTok. Anyway, yeah, I just fell for it because it was on sale, and I'm just like, oh shoot, what am I gonna do with this? So I'm gonna go ahead and return it. I just don't really like plastic containers for any purposes. I feel like they stain really easily. I don't know, I just don't love them, and I love my glass ones from Amazon, which is what I should have gotten. So this one is gonna go back, sadly. It's very cute, but you know, if they were pink I would keep them. Blue, it's just really not my color, clearly. So we've been meaning to change Olivia's sound machine for something that has like some sort of app or Bluetooth connection, and I found this one because I don't know why I refuse to invest in the Hatch. It's not like it's more like, it's like under $100, but I don't know, I don't want to spend that much money when we already have one. Now I got this one. It says it has 34 kinds of music or machines, sounds, whatever, and then you can control it via app, which is really important to us. The only reason why I have yet to try it, it's sitting in Olivia's room, but she's still listening to her annoying little music that a lot of people comment on and hate. The reason why we haven't done that is because she's been kind of like struggling with sleep, so I don't want to add something else that's going to bother her. So we will try this once the sleep or situation is done. She doesn't struggle at night, knock on wood, but it's just mostly nap time, so I don't want to like add another factor to like mess up with her nap schedule. So I will keep you posted is my long-winded answer, explanation, whatever. So guys, I think we're gonna stop here because I do have more things surrounding me, but I don't want this video to be 3 years long, so stay tuned for the next one. Let me know what you guys got. I blanked out for a second. Can you tell it's like 6 o'clock? Let me know what you guys got during Prime Day. What was your favorite thing? If there's anything you want me to review, just let me know things in the comments. Yeah, that's everything for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching, for shopping my links and trusting me throughout the year, but also especially during Prime Day. I know a lot of you shop through my links, were waiting for my recommendations, and it does mean so much to me. I'm so glad I was able to do a few giveaways, but I definitely want to do them more often. So let me know what you guys want me to give away next, and when, I don't know, maybe soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you, by the way, for all the birthday wishes. I completely forgot to say that in my last video. I really do appreciate it so much. I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.